Hi friends, this video shows how to enter and exit from fast boot mode. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video. First, we have to power off the mobile phone. Press and hold power button. Press and hold power button. Then tap on power off. Then tap on power off. Now phone is off. Now we have to press and hold volume down and power button together. Press and hold volume down and power button together until we enter into fast boot mode. Let me do that. Press and hold volume down and power button together. See, now we can release. So now phone is in fast boot mode. This way we can enter into fast boot mode. Next I will show you how we can exit from fast boot mode. It's very simple. We can just press and hold only the power button. Only power button we have to press and hold. Press and hold only the power button until phone reboots. Okay, now phone is rebooting. Now we can release. So now phone is rebooting. So this way we can easily exit from the fast boot mode. Just a press and hold power button until phone reboots. So I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please check it. See. Okay.